Well, g'day all. So I've been shopping again, online shopping. It's getting a bit dangerous actually. Got another package when I got home from work. I don't know what it is, so let's open it up. Let's have a look. I'll put it on. Packaging, it's not bad. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. But let me give you a look. Okay, this is a D.A.M. Quick spinning reel. So that's D.A.M. stands for and forgive the terrible German pronunciation, but D.A.M. stands for Deutsche Angelgeräte Manufaktur. So yeah, that's a D.A.M. Quick spinning reel. It looks in really good condition actually. I don't know the age of it, but looking at the components, it's certainly not a new reel. And it's in really good nick. There I go again, a reel in really good nick. Alright, so all the components you recognise of a spinning reel. Bail arm there. Okay, the bail arm doesn't click over perfectly. Okay, yeah, there's a little bit of an issue with the bail arm there actually. It doesn't quite lock in. There you go, you got to put that lever in manually almost. Oh no, there it goes. It clicks over. Oh, the spring is there, but it's just pulling it back very slowly. You can see it moving there. So it doesn't snap closed. It just moves very slowly, but that's okay. That's an old reel. The drag's quite smooth. Alright, drag's excellent. Anti-reverse works. And I like this little lever here. Check this out. Instead of just a back and forth lever, you have to actually pull it out and move it around. That's pretty cool. So that's free spinning either way. Pull that lever out, move it around, drop it back in, anti-reverse and ratchet. Oh, stoked. Let's go out in the sunlight so you can have a little bit better of a look. So, D.A.M. Quick, that's the style of the reel. 330. I'm not sure what the 330 means. Line capacity maybe. Oh, that's interesting. 1 through to 12 like a clock face for your drag settings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, around to 12. There you go, little arrow there. So you can set your drag to whatever preset you want. Oh, cool. That's really awesome actually. Okay, push that button there on top and the spool comes off. Pretty basic inside, like an old reel. Yep, there we go. Awesome. It is heavy. It's really very heavy actually because it's all cast iron. It's completely cast iron. Very minimal wear. I wish I knew the age of the reel because it's got some wear, but particularly considering it's a cast iron reel, which cast iron's very easy to snap and break. That's in really good nick. Let's put it on a rod, see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. I've put it on the old Bonnie Doon. Fits it beautifully. Like it was meant to go there. Little brown trout on the base of the reel there. So obviously a freshwater reel. Imagine using that in some alpine lakes in Germany and Switzerland. Yeah, that'd be cool. I'm only going to use this for fresh water because I don't think it'd appreciate a cast iron reel. I don't think it'd appreciate too much salt water, so I'm only going to use it on fresh water. But I am definitely going to use it. It's not a museum piece. Yeah, see that doesn't quite snap back over, but that's okay. It does have some line on it. I don't know how old it is. It seems in okay condition, so I might just leave that line on it. But anyway, there you go. D.A.M. Quick 330 spinning reel. Stoked. It's going to be dangerous, so I've got to stop scanning eBay for for fishing gear. It's too easy just to click a button and have it sent to your house. But gee, I'm stoked with that. Having said that though, I do have one in transit. I've got another Daywell reel in transit at the moment, so I've already broken my own rule. Anyway, quick vid this one, guys. D.A.M. Quick. There I go again. Good on you, Andy. It's a damn quick video. D.A.M. Quick 330. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Tight lines. See you next time. I did forget to mention I was doing a little bit of research on the reel earlier, and the D.A.M. company, the Deutsche Angelgeräte Manufaktur company, was developed post World War I by a couple of blokes, father and son, Otto Kuntze, K-U-N-T-Z-E, and his son, wait for it, Helmut. Otto and Helmut Kuntze. So you could say this reel was developed by a pair of